Hey guys, we're out on a Sunday. Got a Happy Lemon. This is a liter.
And I got a mango matcha.
Mango matcha?
Just a large.
So we are gonna go. We just came from Canadian Tire. We're gonna go Best Buy and.
Is this still? And then we're gonna get a snack after.
Oh. Okay. Hey guys, just went to Costco, bought a battery. Okay, I had to restart the video because it said the notification with 20% went on. Anyways, went to Costco, bought a battery. The biggest battery I could get.
Decided to like start vlogging right when after you saw a call.
So just bought a Costco battery for the third time. Energizer, the biggest one I could get. It's like 5-year warranty, shit, whatever. And then on our way to go pick up an old military, I guess, foot locker or briefcase. We're gonna have a cool speaker setup for that. Maybe like a giant subwoofer or something. Who knows? But yeah, we're gonna do that, and then have it for like display and actually working. But let's see how it sounds first. Also, we're gonna go get some old guy on Facebook Marketplace was like, hey, I have 3 mini TVs. Take all of them for $25. I was like, sure, let's do it. So, just came back from our little trip today, and I got this suitcase. I guess it's a military foot locker, Canadian Army. There we go. And that's the laundry room over there. So, recap, got this case from this little excursion today. And yeah. What do you expect? Okay. That's nice. It's just coming. No, this looks like it's in. Fuchsia. Okay. Yeah, the goal here is to put a subwoofer here. So I think we're stuck in a loading screen or a horror movie. I think I turned the wrong way and now I'm in Silent Hill. Emarie, how do you feel?
It feels cold outside.
We picked up the cool radio, like the flip screen that comes out. Then we picked up 3 mini TVs and a cooler. And now we're an hour away from home. And hopefully we make it. Like we'll make it, but like I don't see an end to this road. This kind of just keeps going. Ta-da! 7-Up cooler, the all family drink. It's actually pretty cool. Mini TVs, another TV. Well, this one is, I believe it's battery powered, and this one, oh yeah. Okay. Joopy. Okay. That's it. Yeah, it's pretty deep in here. The battery's gonna go in here. Probably either center it out, and then I'll probably have some cooling going on. We'll figure out how that goes, but this is awesome. Check this out. Oh, oh yeah. Look at that over the edge. Oh, yep. Sweet, you get this shit too. Can you zoom in here? Minneapolis, Minnesota. Oh yeah, here's the suitcase. I might have to sell this because this is a lot bigger than I thought compared to the cooler, and I don't think the car has enough room for the suitcase as well. Alright guys, so today's the day Mitsubishi's gonna be sold. Whoop. Gotta put down the deposit, so we're gonna get the remainder, get registration done. We're gonna go help him. I never registered a car in Manitoba before, so he needs help. Guy's cool, we're friends. So, hey Choppy. What? Put the car. Search. Here, let me flip it too.
For what? For what? Hey gamers,
So, here's the car. It's being sent off. Bring it on now. Wah, 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 yeah, that's it. Then this weekend we're gonna get the or the car, and yeah, just call it in there. It's nice out. We're gonna empty out the yard starting tomorrow. There's a giant tree stump in the way. Apparently Emarie's gonna... Emery, what are you gonna do again with it? How do you drive?
Hi, chat.
They're just figuring out the
How to drive?
how to drive.
How to...
I guess like when the guy bought it, he doesn't know how to drive stick.
Figured it out.
They got their R&B tunes going, and potholes are crazy in Winnipeg right now.
Yeah.
I guess spring comes out, and it's just like the what was it, like the geese? What is it? The ducks, the flying ducks?
The geese?
The geese that fly up
They
here
come
again.
back, just like the potholes.
Migration, just like the Winnipeg potholes, apparently.
Not even a year. I don't think that's an era. Hey, it works!
Don't. So when you're driving, don't have your window rolled down and then spray, because it'll get inside the cabin. Because you're driving and the liquid will go into the... I learned that the hard way. I was like, he's what? But you see how slow it is? Yeah, but then the one time it's raining out, you're like, oh no, it's not going up.
Thank you so much.
Alright, ready. Drive safe.
Thank you.
So, like, Roxine Chan.
So if it was short, this is what
At the Ida.
you would look like if I wasn't tiny.
Directed here.
Look how tiny I look.
Oh shit, it's gonna have me. Can you? Can you?
So we are trying to diagnose if any of these are out. It's kind of crunched. These are so tight. This little multi-fuse. This does like 4 different things. They're in there. This is on Emarie's 04 Celica. I'm just trying to see. This is a spare from the engine compartment. Just trying to see which one's good at this. Up. Let's pop this back in. Oh, nice and easy. Nice and easy. That's what we want. Let's see here. So apparently this multi-fuse here is ABS culprit. There is ABS light and e-brake light that's on for no reason. ABS works, everything works. Weird. No. Sorry, check engine light is because some evap thing we got going on. Okay, well that didn't do it. Could be an ABS sensor or something weird. Who knows? Let's try something else.